Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making Puerto Rican style baked chicken thighs. So let's get started. Okay guys, so here I have my chicken thighs that I already washed in some lime. So now we're gonna season our chicken thighs, okay? So we're gonna be using some homemade adobo seasoning here. I will leave a link in the description showing you how I made my homemade adobo seasoning. Okay, let's flip this over to season the other side. Right, I'm going to flip it back over. Actually, you know what? Let's see if we can get underneath the skin as well. We want to get flavor there also. All right, so I'm going to pull back the skin so I can get underneath. There you go. All right, so. So what we're going to do now is add some sofrito. I will leave a link in the description showing you how to make sofrito. Add about 1 tablespoon of sofrito. I'm just going to scrape around the edges here. Okay, so we added 1 tablespoon of sofrito. Oh, I should have added my oil first because my oil is my binder. But anyway, I will still put it now. Okay, I am using olive oil. All right. I'm also going to add about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste to it. All right, so let's start to rub everything in. Give everybody a nice massage. Make sure we get the sofrito all over the chicken. Oh dear, that fell down. All right, so here we have our seasoned chicken, guys. Doesn't that look beautiful? All right, so I'm going to leave this to actually marinate for about 1 hour before baking. Ideally, it's best to do this and you leave it to marinate overnight. However, I have to cook this today, so I'm going to leave this to marinate for about 1 hour and then we will bake it. All right, so I will be back when I'm ready to put this into the oven. Okay guys, so it's time for me to put my chicken into the oven. So you can preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and you bake it between 45 minutes to 60 minutes. Okay guys, I decided that I will use my temp spike thermometer in order to cook my chicken. I will leave a link in the description showing you a video I did on this. I'll try to push it out in from this side. Yeah. Let's make some space for it. All right, so I hope that's in there nicely. This temp spike thermometer is actually controlled by your phone. This is telling me the internal temperature of it now, and this is the target temperature. And so as it cooks, this green line will go up. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description showing you a video that I did, how it works. All right, so let's put this into the oven. Okay guys, so our Puerto Rican style baked chicken is now completed. And what I did for the last few minutes is that I put on my broiler on the top to give it a little color on the top.